Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of footwear, specifically focusing on what could be the best men's shoes with arch support available. Get ready to explore the Whitin men's cross trainer. A shoe that's been making waves for its innovative design and outstanding features. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what sets the Whitin men's cross trainer apart from the competition. With its barefoot and minimalist design, this shoe is all about providing natural comfort and support. The wide toe box allows your toes to spread naturally, promoting better balance and stability. But that's not all. The shoe boasts a zero-drop sole, meaning there's no height difference between the heel and toe. This encourages a natural stride and helps maintain a healthy posture, reducing stress on your joints. Plus, the flexible yet durable rubber sole provides excellent grip and traction on a variety of surfaces. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say about their experience with the Whitin men's cross trainer. Customers rave about the comfort and lightweight feel of these shoes, making them perfect for a wide range of activities, from workouts to casual wear. Many users also praise the durability and value for money that these shoes offer. But versatility is key, right? Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply running errands, these shoes have got you covered. Their minimalist design and sleek appearance make them a stylish choice for any occasion. In conclusion, the Whitin men's cross trainer ticks all the boxes when it comes to finding the best men's shoes with arch support. With its anatomical shape, zero-drop sole, and wide toe box, it's a true game-changer in the world of footwear. So why wait? Treat your feet to the comfort and support they deserve with the Whitin men's cross trainer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!